So we're off again. I didn't want it to be like super dark on you guys. What's up, man? Chilling at the funeral home. I think you'd pick another place to chill at, simply for the fact of I don't give a shit. I don't care where he chills. But you think if you're in a bad position, the worst place you'd want to chill to remind you of your problems is a funeral home. Welcome to the channel if you're new. This is Street Mobs. And I basically just go around the street of the town that I'm in, mainly. The place that I live is Fort Walton Beach. So that's the big part of the channel, is Fort Walton Beach. But I do travel and have a lot of cities in mind. So stay tuned for that, guys. I will definitely get New Orleans is 100% going to happen. Maybe Birmingham. I'm starting in the south. We can go farther south, Florida, if y'all want to do that. Oh. I hate these pedals, man. They stick. They're so freaking low. Or maybe it's the curves, I don't know, but I scrape my pedals all the time. Or it's something the way I ride, but like I said, we got more stuff in mind. Faux show. Faux show. What do you guys think, New Orleans? Sounds like a bomb ass. Sounds like a bomb place. Look at this guy closing up shop. Huh. A wine shop or something? I guess. Yo, I need to go get a picture for this company, this car wash company, for my Instagram. This is where we're going right now. Because they've been liking some of my street stuff. If you don't follow me, I have 2 accounts. I have at Matt Elkins Photography, which is my name, and photography. And I have the real Fort Walton Beach. It's supposed to be an anti-beach picture place. Of just like the actual city of Fort Walton Beach. But they've been liking some of those, so I'm gonna go take a picture, tag them. It'll be fun. It'll be kind of cool. Sir. Let's pull this light up a little bit. I want to be able to see what's coming a bit. What's up, bud? What do you expect me to do? Just walking straight at a guy with a light. But yeah, go follow those channels. That's what we're doing tonight. Just kind of doing some free marketing, I guess you might say. Yeah. Whoa. Let's see, where am I going to cut over? Because I'm pretty positive it's over here. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. He got over for me. But see, and that's the funny thing, is like the time that he got over, I just hit the road, went around him. Sorry, dude. Cops are out tonight again. Oh, shit. Alright. Maybe I need a headlight, because I did not see that coming at all. I gotta keep riding. See me rolling. Hey, lady. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's beautiful here tonight. It's not much wind, but at the same time, it's nice and cool. Yep, that's what it is. Okay, so now we're on Beale Parkway, I do believe. We're just gonna go down. I'm pretty sure, also, I'm not very sure of anything. This is cool. Huh. I need to see if they work on diesels. Get my truck up the tip-top, alright, where's the cutaway here? Here it is. I want to take a picture of that place.